Today I'll be making a Yo PA type beat. Yo PA is one of the best producers in the US. You already know. My favorite producer, My favorite producer. I don't know about you, but get started. Please don't forget to like and comment and tell me what you think. And last week I posted an STC type beat. It ain't a type beat, it's a beat, a real beat. The STC No More beat. Make the numbers go. If you know STC, the song called No More, I remade the beat. So please guys, go check the beat on my channel. Check it and you will know how that beat is made, I made it, STC really made it, I remade it. Thank you. So first we're gonna add a loop. And then we're gonna put it in the right place. Then we add some claps. This one ain't good, so I'm gonna decrease the volume. After that, add a rim 707 from FLM sample pack. Then copy the clap pattern and put it on the rim track. Now it sounds better. Then we add a hi-hat. We're gonna go crazy on this one. Next, we're gonna add a snare. Let's add a thick 808. Don't like this one. I'm gonna change it. Then we add a kick. Now, that's all of it. That's a full beat.
OZ.